What is the time allocated for each channel if the number of samples per frame is 4 and the frame rate is 100 frames sec? A 1.2 ms, B 3 ms, C 2.5 ms, D 0.54 ms. The correct answer is 2.5 ms. The circuit used to regenerate clock pulses from the transmitted PAM signals is called A. Clock demodulator circuits, B. Timer circuits, C. Clock receiving circuits, D. Clock recovery circuits. The correct answer is clock recovery circuits. What are used to reduce or stop synchronization problems while receiving? A. Clock recovery circuits, B. Demodulators, C. Synchronizer, D. Band pass filter. The correct answer is clock recovery circuits. Which of the following device was used in early TDM PAM telemetry systems? A. Commutator, B. Linear switch, C. Logic gates, D. DSP. The correct answer is commutator. What device is used to demodulate a time division multiplexed analog wave? A. High pass filter, B. Low pass filter, C. Band stop filter, D. Attenuator. The correct answer is low pass filter. Which of the following is not an advantage of time division multiplexing? A. Signal interference is less, B. More flexible, C. Full channel can be used for every signal, D. Fast data transfer. The correct answer is fast data transfer. Frequency division multiplexing. Frequency slots. Time division multiplexing. A. Time slots, B. Coded information, C. Pulsed information, D. Band slots. The correct answer is time slots. What is the purpose of one-shot multivibrator? A. Trigger all AND gates at clock frequency, B. Trigger all OR gates at clock frequency, C. Trigger all AND gates at signal frequency, D. Trigger all OR gates at signal frequency. The correct answer is trigger all AND gates at clock frequency. Serial transmission is not possible without time division multiplexing. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is true. In a 4-channel system, all 4 signals transmitted contain information. A. True, B. False, C. D. The correct answer is false.